Hello everyone and welcome back to another video guys. This is Bernard Choice. In this video I'm going to show you the new updated method on how to one name on Facebook or how to put one name on your Facebook profile. So let's begin. So guys, the first step you need to do, you need to go ahead and open your Facebook application and log into your Facebook account. As you can see, this is the account that you shall use to one name. Now tap on those three dashes at the top right corner and then scroll down to the bottom and then tap on settings and privacy. Now select settings. Now here under settings and privacy, just tap on account center. Now tap on profiles. And now go ahead and open profile. Now select name. So guys, you're being required to remove the last name and make sure you edit your first name to your liking. Make sure you remove the last name. Now to doing that, the next step is for you to install or download VPN Indonesia. You'll find the link in the description box below. Now open your VPN. Now you need to connect to any free server. Now after connecting, now you need to go back to our Facebook. Now here on the last name, make sure you add a spacebar, as you can see, and then tap on review change. And then make sure you save changes. As you can see, name updated successfully. So let's go back to confirm. As you can see, now we have one name on our Facebook profile. So that's how all it takes for you to put one name on your Facebook profile. So that's for me today. So if you find value in today's video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell icon for more useful videos. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.